2 times, yeah. Gang. Rest in peace to 2020, man. Pressure, man. All 2021, man. Look, say sometimes if being loyal to others, man, you could be disloyal to yourself. Know the game, straight up. Look. Wait till they free all the real ones. You know it been a minute. Sometimes I just get in my chest, I be reminiscing. Thinking back on how the trenches was, this shit be hitting different. People portraying certain images, I ain't feeling niggas. Gave all of my love to the streets and never benefited. Cause ain't no love in the streets, I should've been done quit it. Cause they'll kick you when you down and try to kick it with you. Call you for beef and they ain't even splitting the chicken with you. Free all the real ones. You know it's been a minute. Sometimes I just get in my chest, I be reminiscing. Thinking back on how the trenches was, this shit be hitting different. People portraying certain images, I ain't feeling niggas. Gave all of my love to the streets and never benefited. Cause ain't no love in the streets, I should've been done quit it. Cause they'll kick you when you down and try to kick it with you. Call you for beef and they ain't even splitting the chicken with you. Yeah, it's different now, you really gotta pay attention now. Cause everybody is shooter from the trenches now. And these hoes is LA sober for a mention now. And all the young niggas getting down, for real. Niggas will kill you about a bitch, this shit wicked wild. Women thinking like me and men acting like bitches now. You never know niggas into, just keep a stick around. And you the company you keep, watch you sit around. I don't know how I came to this, but the internet got niggas doing the lamest shit. Posting them pistols and wonder why you get blamed for shit. Messy hoes always putting niggas' names and shit. It's like a movie, you bound to see some crazy shit. And hoes resort to OnlyFans on some lazy shit. Child support a hustle, watch you have babies with. You never know what life would take you on some lazy shit for real. Remember he was in them cleaners, then went to living a life that he never dreamed of. Until we rap it in their face, they won't believe us. And when you turn to welcome with us when they need you. Nigga was calling, but left us on the bleachers. You gotta watch out for the vouchers trying to eat ya. 2K21, you really left us greedy. No reason, the real ones the streets need us. Hey, one time moment of silence for 2020, y'all. And I wanna say rest in peace to everybody who lost their life due to police brutality, man. My heart goes out to their families, man. Long live Zoo, long live O, long live J.P, man. Free T, free Vay, brat. Wait till they free all the real ones. You know it been a minute. Sometimes I just get in my chest, I be reminiscing. Thinking back on how the trenches was, this shit be hitting different. People portraying certain images, I ain't feeling niggas. Gave all of my love to the streets and never benefited. Cause ain't no love in the streets, I should've been done quit it. Cause they'll kick you when you down and try to kick it with you. Call you for beef and they ain't even splitting the chicken with you. Free all the real ones. You know it's been a minute. Sometimes I just get in my chest, I be reminiscing. Thinking back on how the trenches was, this shit be hitting different. People portraying certain images, I ain't feeling niggas. Gave all of my love to the streets and never benefited. Cause ain't no love in the streets, I should've been done quit it. Cause they'll kick you when you down and try to kick it with you. Call you for beef and they ain't even splitting the chicken with you. Yeah, for real, like, rest in peace. 2K20, man. I love y'all 2 times. Brat.